Ever wish you could save those crucial Google Meet sessions right on your phone? Today, we're diving into simple ways to record your Google Meet calls, whether it's for archiving, tutorials, or revisiting key moments. First, let's check if your phone has a built-in screen recorder. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel. Look for an icon labeled Screen Recorder, or something similar. If you find it, great. Tap it, grant the necessary permissions, and start recording before joining or once you're in your Google Meet session. If you don't have a built-in recorder, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Screen Recorder. There are many free and reliable options like AZ Screen Recorder, Recorder, or ADV Screen Recorder. Before you start recording, open the app and go to its settings. Make sure to enable audio recording and select your preferred audio source, usually microphone, to capture both your voice and the meeting audio. You can also adjust the video resolution for better quality. Now, launch your Google Meet app, join your meeting, and then start the screen recording app. A small control panel will usually appear, allowing you to start, pause, and stop the recording. Once the meeting is over, stop the recording. The video will be saved in your phone's gallery or a designated folder within the screen recording app, and that's it. Now you know how to record Google Meets on your phone. Now you'll never miss any vital information like this video, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.